Okay, so from here, we are supposed to work out the trees that will not survive out of 150 if probability of tree surviving is 0.7. Now, you know probability of surviving is 0.7. We are looking of not surviving. So you can work out probability of not surviving by doing 1 minus probability of it surviving. So that gives us 0.3. That's what we need to focus on. So now probability of not surviving is 0.3. So we multiply our probability of not surviving by the number of trees that is planted. So that will give us 45 trees will not survive. One way is also work out probability of trees that will survive using 0.7, and the answer you take it away from 150. It's the same as what we just done here, but we work out probability by taking away from 1, then multiply to get our answer.